Del here, and recently I've had a block of cheese in my refrigerator for quite a while, and I didn't really know what to do with it. And I was going out buying string cheese, and the store was out. So I thought, well, the block of cheese, maybe I could slice it up. I sliced it up, and miracle of miracles, it really tasted good. So then I made it more string-like and cut the slices of cheese into 4 sections, so I'd have a kind of a string thing. And here's the part of the block of cheese with the slices, and I'll see if here, and here's all what I got out of that. I've already eaten up one bag. So here's, 5 more bags that I got out of the block of cheese, and I didn't pay anything for the block of cheese. And here's what they look like string-wise. And so I saved myself a lot of money. I got a little snack, a fast kind of snack when I need it. And everything was moving along. The train was just rolling down the tracks really nicely. I thought, boy, this is a win-win situation. Then I make the mistake of watching YouTube, and there's somebody on there telling me that you shouldn't put this type of item in a closed environment like a baggie or something because of the moisture. So, but I am doing that, and I'm about to taste again because I've been eating it right along, and I got no problem with it. It's fast, it's easy, and it's a little bit heavy on the fat, but you can say that about a lot of cheeses and stuff like that. So if you ever incur or maybe are able to purchase some sort of block of cheese, might want to consider maybe chopping it up into slices and then further into string-like sections of it. Might save yourself some money, and it might just end up doing the same thing as the store-bought strings. So there you have it, win-win. See ya.